Hi, I'm Tenzin. I'm a cocktail artist. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. St. Patrick's Day is one of the best holidays we ever celebrate, especially in Boston. With that said, I have a perfect cocktail for you, which is refreshing and fun. Most importantly, it's green. First, we're gonna pour 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey. Then we're gonna have 1 ounce of cocktail artist lemon juice, 1 ounce of passion. We're going to add 1/2 ounce of blue curacao. We're going to add some ice. Going to shake it. In your Colin glass, we're going to strain the cocktail into there. So then we're going to add some ice cubes and top it with a ginger beer and a little crushed ice on the top. We're going to garnish with the fresh mint sprig. You're going to slap that a little bit. And here's your Shamrock Mule. Happy St. Patrick's Day.